Hello, in front of me I've got Nokia 9. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's search for Files app. As you can see, we can find it in the app drawer. Thanks to Files app, you've got access to your recent files, downloads, images, videos, audio, documents and others, apps and internal storage. Also, you can use share function to quickly send and receive files without internet, and clean function to clean junk files from your smartphone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.